The Witch Sisters.
That.
This is where the Witch Sisters live. I'm excited to see what they have in store for us today. Hello, Witch Sisters. You kids look comfy.
Hello.
What's the big plan for today?
My friends invited me to Bat Day at the Witches' baseball game this afternoon. Why are you crying, little sister?
Because I'm sure your friends just invited you, and it's not for little witches, and I'm not going to be allowed to go.
Not at all. In fact, I would love you to come to Bat Day.
Oh boy, I'm going to Bat Day. Wait, what exactly is Bat Day?
Bat Day is when every witch going to the baseball game uses her magic to turn herself into a bat.
I love it. I'll see you at the game. Handful of witch dust. Pinch of love. Pull up donut. Magic brew, do what you do. Make my spell turn out well. I'll spell bat 3 times exactly the same, and this afternoon I'll be at the witches' baseball game.
Bat is spelled B-A-T.
Bat. B-A-T.
I like what you are doing here.
Naturally, bat. B-A-T.
This is making me very happy.
Oh yeah, bat. B-A-T. I did it! I'm a baseball bat.
B-A-T spells bat.
How do I do it?
It's the next day. Let's check in with the Witch Sisters.
I loved Bat Day at the Witches' baseball game. I even learned something.
Yes, on Witches' Bat Day, we all turn ourselves into this kind of bat.
But it worked out pretty great. One of the baseball players used me to hit a home run. Yay!
Poof! You're my little sister again.
Poof! You're my big sister again. Yay! Sister dance!